This is Cowarobot R1, a fully autonomous smart suitcase that follows its user while avoiding any obstacles in its path. R1 uses the 96.5 watt-hour portable power bank as its power source. You can easily charge devices directly from the power bank, or with integrated USB ports for on-the-go charging if the power bank is plugged into the suitcase. The power bank is easily removable, making airport security checks a breeze. The front storage space allows for one-click access to remove electronics during airport security checkpoints without having to repack your bag, while the spacious main compartment is perfect for the compact storage of other travel necessities. Wherever you go, whatever you do, R1 will be with you every step of the way. Cowarobot R1. Make travel less of a drag.
BlueLed is the world's first remote-controlled suitcase. It is controlled using a small joystick that enables the user to navigate the suitcase around obstacles or through crowds of people with ease. The joystick connects easily with the push of a button. BlueLed has a quiet, powerful electric motor and a portable battery that is fully compliant with TSA regulations. This makes airport security checks easy. Regenerative technology allows the battery to self-charge when driving downhill, or when the suitcase is being dragged manually. 2 USB ports with protective rain covers enables you to charge up your electronics. The frontal pocket allows for easy access to laptops, books, electronics and other accessories, while the spacious main compartment is perfect for your other travel necessities. When in horizontal mode, BlueLed is excellent for transportation of your bags. BlueLed, be the master of your travel.